So to begin, you want to choose a dual form that is slightly larger than the size of your nail. This will help you use the correct amount of polygel. If your dual form is the same size as your nail, then the sides may not get the polygel. This is incorrect and the nail will be brittle. The brush we're using for polygel has a spatula for cutting off and applying small amounts of polygel. As you can see, polygel is very thick and it's sold in tubes. Squeeze out a small amount, cut it with the spatula, and apply it onto the dual to soak your brush in the special liquid that comes with your polygel kit. This liquid helps the brush shape the polygel. So you're going to want to spread the polygel inside of the dual form like so. After that, press it onto your natural nail by placing the tip over the cuticle at a 45-degree angle and then lowering it onto the tip. Press firmly to avoid any bubbles. Then you can go in and correct any imperfections using the brush. The next step isn't necessary, but we like to use a special clamp. This helps to hold the dual form in place while it's being cured. It also prevents bubbles from forming and the polygel from lifting. So cure the polygel for 2 minutes in a UV LED lamp, and after that, pop off the dual forms. It's almost perfect already. You just need to file the tip to your desired shape. You can now apply a top coat and your nails will be ready. However, we're going to show you a simple design first. So we're going to take some holographic flakes and we're going to make an ombre with the flakes using a brush. After that, we chose to put a metallic sticker on the ring finger like so. Apply a top coat, cure, and our nails are complete.